ringing a bell. Tomorrow clears away the cobwebs and the sorrow till there's none. When I'm stuck with a day that's gray and lonely, I just sip my gin and go in and say, oh, the sun will come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Come what may, tomorrow, I love you tomorrow. You're always a day away.
Hey, you, little girl.
Yes, officer.
That dog there. Ain't I seen him running around the neighborhood? Ain't he a stray?
A stray? Oh, no, officer, he's my dog.
Oh, your dog, huh? So what's his name?
His name? Well, his name is Sandy. Right, that's in Sandy. I call him Sandy Steve because of his nice sandy color.
Sandy Color. Okay. Let's see him answer to his name.
Answer? You mean when I call him?
Right. When you call by his name. Sandy,
Well, you see outside the sky, and sometimes you just...
call him.
Well, I'm calling. Your boy, he's Sandy. Sandy. Your boy, he's Sandy. Good Sandy. Good old Sandy.
Well, maybe he is your dog. But the next time you take him out, I want to see him on a leash and with a license, or else he goes to the pound and they put him to sleep. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. I understand. On a leash with a license.
And now get along with you before you catch that cold as well.
Oh, I'm under the weather. That's great and lonely. I just put my in and grin and say, the sun will come out tomorrow, so you gotta hang on till tomorrow. Come what may, tomorrow, I love you tomorrow. You're always a day away. Tomorrow, I love you tomorrow. You're always a day away.
I need some more wood for the penthouse.
Hey, Andy, give me a hand, huh?
Sure thing, beautiful.
Cops. Cop! Hey! Hey!
Leave us alone, you louses!
Sophie, that stew ready yet?
Patience, patience.
Hey, hey, make way for John D. Rockefeller.
Howdy do there.
Great, 7 million people in this town, and I sold one lousy apple.
Excuse me, folks, but did anybody here leave a redhead kid in an orphanage 11 years ago?
I'm making it.
Ladies and gents, dinner is served.
Thank you, Sophie.
Kid, you hungry?
Nah.
Okay.
Oh, my dog is.
Here, kid, have your fill. Don't worry, you'll get your soup.
Thanks, Laney.
Hey, kid, what are you doing out alone this time of night?
I'm looking for my mom and dad. They're lost.
Lost? How long have you been looking for them?
11 years.
Now that's lost.
Hey, kid, sorry, but it's time to give up.
No, I'm gonna find them.
Hey, there's something I haven't heard since 1928.
What?
Optimism.
Optimism? What do we have to be optimistic about? Look at us. Life's a nightmare.
We gotta have a dream.
Dream? What, the traffic rattling overhead all night?
Shoot,
you right here from a nightmare.
Empty pockets?
At least you got pockets.
Freezing fingers.
Look, you got them empty pockets.
Newspapers? For blankets.
You can read in bed.
Kid, you should have been a politician.
Hey, listen to this. Former President Herbert Hoover said today in an interview, though I was in no way personally responsible for the 1929 stock market crash, I have the deepest sympathy for the millions of Americans who are now ragged, hungry, and homeless. Ragged?
Hungry?
Oh!